Never give up. Live your dreams and do not dream your life. With great power comes great responsibility. These are all famous quotes we see and hear all the time. And it's great. These are all positive messages. However, when was the last time you really thought about the meaning behind them? Today, it's common to post and like them, although most people deny following the very basic principles behind them. When was the last time you took your first step towards your lifelong journey? Are you really living your dreams for more than 3 to 5 weeks a year? Is never giving up the answer, or just a stepping stone to success? All these questions are flying by in your subconscious mind without being processed any further. You hear them so often they may come across as cliches, as notable stickers worth putting on your forehead when people watching, to feel better and show the world that you care. But creating success is not about quoting some famous people, it's about creating your own quotes with everything you've learned. A journey with 1,000 miles does indeed begin with a single step. But talking about a step is not the same as setting one foot after another. Taking the first step takes confidence, courage, and an unbeatable belief in your abilities. Taking the first step may seem small, so no one sees it. It may seem worthless. However, let me tell you something. The first step is never worthless. It's everything you need to do, followed by a second and a third and a fourth. And before you realize, you create a pathway behind you people can no longer ignore. They will recognize you, admire you, and follow you, one after another. You just have to take one first step, followed by a second first step.